Bonbaj here, making an appearance. Abby Seeley. Lisa, you want to say hi? There's Senora Scarlett and Senorita Ellsworth. Over there we got Ian Scarlett and Maddie Joffroy. Oh, who do we have here? It is Ashley Kim, the one and only. The one and only. The one and only. Oh, we got Rachel and Lydia up there. See? And Jason Lubeck.
Hello.
Jason Lubeck, what role are you in for this musical?
Max Detweiler.
Max Detweiler. This is the one and only Ethan Murray. Ethan Murray, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ethan Murray. I'm playing the role of Captain Von Trapp.
Of course. Oh, we got Michelle, our wonderful costume designer. Cassidy Chu, what role are you in, Cassidy?
I'm a nun.
You're a nun. What role are you?
I'm Sister Margarita.
Margarita. Here we got Chase Landry.
Kim Tabby. That's it.
And what role are you in this musical?
I'm a nun.
Nuns. Abby Seeley, our wonderful costume person. She does my makeup. She helps because I don't.
Alexa's hair.
Yeah, she's doing Alexa's hair. Alexa, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alexa.
What role are you, Alexa, in this musical?
I'm a nun and a party goer and a trio of some big word that I don't know how to.
She's just everywhere.
I'm everywhere. Yeah.
Here we got the rest of the Von Trapp kids. Now let's introduce each person. You want to introduce yourself and state what role you are in this musical?
I am Louisa, and my name is Emily Mossy.
You heard it, folks!
You heard it here.
Here we got...
Mother Abbott.
Yeah! Michelle. Here we got...
Lisa.
Yeah, she gets a smooch on Ralph. Oh yeah!
My mom's on the line.
Brigitte.
Brigitte. We got... Marta! And here, not a Von Trapp kid.
I'm Kurt, and I'm 11 almost.
Here's where we cut the camera.
I'm Ian Choi. I'm almost American. Thursday, mark your calendar.
Yeah,
I'm kind of a big deal around here.
I play the role of Elsa. My name's Megan, and I am an American. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's have a high note contest. Ready?
Oh my
You want to start it off?
I'm Ian Choi. Ready?
I think I took the cake on that one. I think I took the cake.
You did?
Juliana, we got Delaney. We got our wonderful pianist. We got our amazing trumpet player. You want to introduce yourself? Over here. Oh, look at that. More people have flooded into the auditorium. Introduce yourself, man.
I am Sammy Snagry. I'm on pip.
And you play?
All the percussion instruments.
All the percussion instruments. He is the thunder, quite literally. This is Katie Canoyer, and you play?
Hi, I'm Lexi.
And you play? Gretel. This is? Jess Curtin, and she plays?
Maria.
The wonderful Maria. You want to give us a little yodel riff?
Yodelay.
And that's why she's the lead.